This is Alex Phillamore's bike check.
Hi guys, I've got a United K40 frame, Odyssey dirt fork, proper microlight rims on a profile hub, United Nathan William bars, United headset, fit DLR stem, Odyssey lever, Odyssey Griswold grip, an ADO bar end,
And a Sunday one.
oh yeah, and a Sunday bar end. Two different ones, it's cool. Odyssey gyro, profile race cranks, United sprocket, profile bottom bracket, Odyssey JCPC pedals, Odyssey chain, Federal Slim logo seat, Fit FAF front tyre, Odyssey Path back tyre, and 9.2 stainless wheels front. Oh, and Panland in the tubes, just because they're cool.
Yep, that's the bike check.
Thanks.